Today on Broke Gourmet, we are wait, that's not food. Wait, no, that's definitely a handle. Hang on. Food's over this way. Yep, there it is. Ground beef. Cooking ground beef. Just ground beef? No. We're going to make it into something. What? I'm not even sure what to call it. It is a browning, our beef. It is a browning at low temperature. Too much. And add the sauce. Garlic powder. I have the phone right now filming above my shoulder in a food stand rack. So this is very difficult for me now because I can't see the screen. So I'm hoping this is all getting on camera. Then the meatloaf. Meatloaf. Probably should have sang a meatloaf song now. I think about not He-Man. Bad out of hell or something. I would do anything for meatloaf. But I won't cook that with a little bit of water in it. Steam out pretty good. My friends, Angie's, her Ouija mug. We're predicting the future and having coffee. It's good stuff, I imagine. So what we will do now is kind of stir this all together. Now, what are we going to add for filler? How about our leftover pot of rice we made just the other day? It's probably stiff as hell. It doesn't want to come out anyway. That's why we have to add some more rice. I almost burned this rice and dried out pretty good. So I am going to need to add some water in there. But I wanted to use it before it went bad. And, just add it all in there. Start chopping and stirring. And the rice is a bit dried out because it's been sitting in the fridge for a day. But once you add water and let it sit on the heat a while, it'll soften back up well enough. I don't know, it was on low heat. But we're going to crank it up to a little bit above medium. Cook! So that we know the beef is absolutely done and we do not get sick and die. Since I live in the South and it is a little bland and needs some salt, we're going to use the soul food seasoning. Salt. Just a little bit. Don't overdo it. But now, this food has a soul. When it dies, it will go into the afterlife and meet its maker, which is me. So, I've turned the heat off on the what I shall term to be dirty shepherd's pie, a combination of dirty rice, which it reminds me of and kind of tastes a bit like, and shepherd's pie, because I had originally intended to make that with this beef I bought, but realized I had no potatoes. So, we'll get a helping out. Clean our spatula. Away from the sink. Move off the heat. And then I, over here, will take a taste of the food. Oh, where the hell is he? He's supposed to be filming a video. Oh, sorry. There I am. Nelson. Okay. It's time to taste the, what do we call it? Dirty shepherd's pie. Beef, leftover rice, and meatloaf spices, and garlic, and Worcestershire, or how do you pronounce it? See, I forgot. I looked it up, and I can't remember. Worcestershire sauce. I kind of prefer the Bugs Bunny version of Worcestershire sauce. But we shall take a taste. Yum, 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 yum. Probably should let that cool down a little more. It's a little warm still. But as far as flavor, very good. It does actually. Doesn't taste so much like meatloaf because of the Worcestershire sauce. The rice being in there, but it kind of does have a meatloafy hint, and it reminds me of dirty rice an awful lot. So, experiment. Throw things together in your kitchen when you have leftovers, and don't be afraid to mess things up. That's the advice. I'm the Broke Gourmet, and